at those birds. They are flying in the snow. Snow time. Have a safe journey. Guys, look at this snowing. After several months, it takes times snowing. It is a little bit late in the Korea, but it's snowing. I love the snow. Look at this beautiful snow. Wow, it's snow time, man. Snowing. Wow, look, now the Korea is also in the snow. Wow. Wow, look at those birds. They are flying in the snow. I think they will be late. Have a safe journey, my friend. Go safely. Snow time. Have a safe journey. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Yeah. A little bit, man. A little bit only snow. Not much more today. Maybe next time it will fall more. But today is a little bit only. Hope those birds will go and stay safely. Right. Okay. And here is so dangerous. I have to be safe. First of all. Wow. Okay, today is a happy snowy day. I love the snow. Wow, look. I love snow. But the sky is clear, Not much more today. Right, bye bye.